Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to show you how you can actually scan for free to air channels on the Multitv platform. So all you have to do is to get a stable signal from the Multitv platform or the satellite using the TP, which I'm going to use it to scan. That's 12525 vertical 30K, and having a stable signal more than 60%, and you proceed by pressing on the menu button on the remote. You can also use the same steps if you are about to track to get a stable signal. You just go straight to the menu, you add the transponder, and then you monitor your TV screen whilst turning the satellite dish around to get a stable signal on your SuperBox decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on the remote. So from the menu page, use the arrow keys just to get through the menu, and then you put it on installation, and then you press OK on it. So it's going to ask you for the default password on your SuperBox decoder. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 40. So you press on 0 4 times 000 to fill in the box, and the installation page will open up. And here we have the installation type, which is DVB-S2. That's for the satellite second generation. And when you press OK on it, we have another option, which is the T2 for the terrestrial or the antenna setting. So you have to leave it on the S2, and then you come to the antenna settings. That's where you need to select the satellite. You add the transponder, you select the right transponder, and then you proceed to scan. So here I'm already having a stable signal from the Multitv satellite with their frequency, and I've already scanned for the channels on it. That's why we have their transponder, which is 12525 30K vertical over there. So whenever you open up your menu, it's going to be a different satellite being selected on it. So you have to change the satellite. You select the right satellite, this satellite will be on it. So you have to select the right satellite whereby you want to add the transponder of the Multitv FTA, and then you proceed to scan or to track to get those channels. So you have to select a satellite folder, and then you add the transponder. So let's select this Eurotest at 28 degrees. That's there is that satellite as well, and you come to the transponder list. You are not likely to find it. If you find it too, you just place it on it. So their satellite or transponder, which is 12525 30,000, you search through. If it's not available, all you have to do is to add the transponder on the satellite folder that you have selected, which you're going to use it to scan. And for you to add a transponder, you need to go back to the installation page. You come to the transponder list, you press OK on it, and from this page you have some command down below. Pressing on the stop button for the start option to pop up, and we have red to add, green edit, yellow delete, and blue right there. So you need to select the right satellites whereby you want to add the Multitv transponder or the frequency and symbol rate. So we selected the Eurotest at 28A, so we have to select it right here so that we can add the transponder. So you have to press on the stop button for the satellite option to actually pop up, and then you look through the list, you put it on the satellite folder which you selected. So this the exact satellite you selected, 28A on the 28 degrees, and you come to the add option, which is pressing on the red button on the remote for the add menu to pop up, and you have to add the TP 12525, and you come to the symbol rate, which is 30030K, and polarity is vertical. If it's horizontal, you change it to vertical. You press OK, you see highlighted. So as you can see, you have the signal quality showing to be 72%. All you have to do is to proceed to scan. But on this page, they have limited it on the manual search or manual scan, which will not allow you to get enough of the channels. You're gonna get only few channels on the app platform. So for you to get more of the channels in and around the transponder that you have selected, or the satellites which you're having that stable signal, you need to go back and then you select a blind scan to get those more channels that is around the app platform. So you go back to the antenna settings page, pressing on the exit button, come to the antenna settings page, and then on this page you select the satellites whereby you have added the TP, which is the rotates at 28 degrees on the 28 east. So you select it right here, and then here there is transponder that you added is available. So all you have to do is to search through and then you place it on it right here. Signal quality is supposed to show, indicating that you are having a stable signal for you to proceed. And then you press on the blue button for the scan menu to open up, and here you can change the channel type to FTA only to eliminate all those channels that will come along with a dollar sign, those scramble channels that won't be working. So you can also leave it on all, and then you come to the scan type. That's the main thing. You change it to blind for you to get more of the channels available on the app platform. You press OK to proceed, and here all you have to do is to wait for it to complete scanning for you to get access to the channels that will come along after you are done with it. So that's it. If today is your first time being on my channel, all you have to do is to subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.